Hi guys, so today Nail Addict is launching their new gel polished colors for the month of June. It's called Retro Summer Vibes Collection. They did send these items free of charge for my review, and all opinions are my own. And I have new affiliate links with them, so that's very kind of them to have offered that. So whatever links I have in the description box are affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission for your purchase items to those links. Along with that, there will also be a discount code for you guys. It kind of changes here and there, but for right now, it's 45% off, so the code will be also in the description box if you would like to take advantage of that. Of course, if they already have a different sale going on in this sale, okay, so you can just take advantage of whatever sale they might be running instead of the code. So let's look at them. I haven't seen them. I just opened it up because it has my address on the outside there, but I just opened it right now. So let's get started. So again, Retro Summer Vibes. I'm going to wipe this off because it has recyclable. Yeah, so they use recyclable materials, and sometimes it leaves a little bit of like paper on your bottle there. So this is Diamonds for Breakfast. Okay. And whatever they put on the lid is very much representative of what's in the bottle, so that's always good. Let's check this guy out. Diamonds for breakfast. You know, it's like 5:30 in the morning right now, and I definitely need to use this today. I'll be having diamonds for breakfast. Look how pretty. It's glitter, but it's like an opalescent kind of glitter. I don't know how to explain it because it has like that purple tone where it has like a yellowish tone. You know what I'm saying? So it's more of an opalescent glitter, chunky glitter, fine glitter, really pretty. So again, that's Diamonds for Breakfast. And then we have Blossom, beautiful pink tone. I love these kind of colors. Let's open this up. Really nice kind of muted peachy pink, I would say. You can see. Just gorgeous. And then I do get questions about like if the gel polishes have any kind of scent. No, not really. In my opinion, they smell a little bit vegetal, a little more earthy than like a chemical, but it's very faint. This is called Tuscan Sun, and you can read all about Nail Addict's gel polishes there on their site. And if you're not familiar, it says they're vegan, 9-free formula, and cruelty-free. They are gel polishes. They have to be cured with an UV light or an LED light. LED does cure faster, like 30 seconds per coat, where UV lights take about 2 minutes. This is so cool. Tuscan Sun. It's almost like terracotta, but a little more brown. It reminded me of a carrot when I brought it out. Really pretty, but not as bright as a carrot. It's just gorgeous. Tuscan Sun. Very cool color. Very retro. Then we have Cherry Soda. Yummy. Cherry Soda. Ooh, this one's more bright. I should have looked at the lid there. It's a bright pinkish red. I don't know if you can see that. Like when I first brought it out, it almost had like a fuchsia, like a hot pink kind of tone to it, but it's very much red. And then we have Ohh Honey. OHH Honey. So pretty. Giving me those Arizona vibes for sure. This one, again, kind of has like a sandy dune kind of look, but a little peachy. That is so pretty. The other day I had done that Frida design. I needed like a skin tone, and this is actually really pretty for a skin tone. Let's see here. This is Underground. Oh my gosh, these colors are so pretty. I'll show them to you all together, and then you'll see the whole collection. Kind of like a slate gray color. Let me try to... But still a very wearable color, a very pretty color. Reminds me of like shark skin or something. And then we have Vibrant Green. You know what's funny about greens? I like to pick up greens because if you want to make flowers or little accents like that, you do need a green, you know? So it's always nice to have a couple of shades of green so you can kind of make different colored leaves or accents on flowers and stuff like that. And this one's more of a bright green. I don't know if you can see that. Kind of like a lime green, but a little bit deeper in tone. So it's still bright, but it's a deep color. So pretty. So let me show you the collection all together. And then we'll talk about what you need to do a gel polish safely. But so pretty. All right, I'm gonna think about what I want to do. When I come back, I'll have the basic supplies we need to do our gel polish manicure. Okay, guys, so I chose the colors I'm gonna use today. The other 4 colors seem very sunset Arizona, different nail design. And for this one, I'm just going to use these colors that are a little more cool, very retro. I mean, I was just looking at the color palette. It's so pretty. So anyhow, so I'm going to use Blossom, Underground, and Diamonds for breakfast. We'll do something fun with that, some mix and match nails. You need your base and top coat. Please do not use another company's base and top coat. I never mix my base and top coats with other polishes because they're designed to work together. And that's just a steadfast rule I always have. So just to get a nice, safe manicure gel mani, you need the base and top coat from the same company. Okay, so this is Nail Addict's base and top coat. I like to use a little alcohol just to kind of dehydrate my nails, get things all nice and clean. 100% acetone to remove whatever polish I might have on my nails, and it might not look like it, but I do have a ridge filler on actually, and that's why it's just kind of dull. But I do have some polish on my nails. I like to have a buffing block, a nail file. This nail file is the type that you can get at like a beauty supply place, but I use the 180 side because this is for like acrylic nails. You do not want to use the rough side on your natural nails. I use the 180 side. It's a lot smoother. Or you know, whatever emery board. Do people still use emery boards? I don't know. I like a cuticle pusher. I like a metal one if you like orange wood sticks or something less or a little more delicate, I guess, than use that, but I like a cuticle pusher. And lint-free wipes, several of them. I only know grabbed one for some reason. Okay, and then you need your lamp, and I have different types of lamps. I love an LED lamp because honestly it takes 30 seconds per coat, but if you have a UV lamp with the UV, you know, those big lights that you put in there, it'll be 2 minutes per coat. This is the Sun 5 Plus UV LED nail lamp from Nail Addict. It has different settings and I've reviewed it in the past, but I'll use that today, so I have it here. So to get started, basically I remove my nail polish first. I was just debating if I want to do this because this acetone always puts like a white residue on my skin, but that's just how it looks on me, so that's what happens. So I'll remove whatever nail polish I have. And I usually, like I say, I prep both hands whenever I'm not doing a video for this. So I would prep both hands at the same time, and you can do both hands at the same time. And even in this lamp, it fits both hands. Just keep your thumbs really nice and flat when you're in there, just so that you can get a cure on this underside and it's not like this, not curing, right? You really want to make sure they're turned up like that. You know, I like to push back my cuticles. And you might not think there's much there, but push back your cuticles, scrape away any skin cells that might be on there. And you know, I did this a week ago or so, and there's new stuff. And it happens. It's just, you know, your nails growing out, and it brings some of that cuticle there with it. So you want to scrape all that away. I usually shape my nails, and I'll do them all at the same time. Like all the steps I'm doing right now, I'll do them all, you know, pushing back, and then go back and shape my nails, then go back and buff. But just shape your nail however it is that you want. And then take your little buffer and just buff the top of your nail just so that it kind of takes the shine, the natural shine off your nail, so that your gel polish will stick better. You're getting rid of that little, any other cuticle that might be on your skin there. And then I wipe this off normally with some alcohol. For this video, I'll wash my hands because I want to get rid of this acetone residue. But then I'll still wipe it with alcohol afterwards, just so that the nail gets dehydrated and it's not just fresh from being washed, you know. So I will be right back when this hand is prepped. Okay, so I just went ahead and washed my hands. I'm just going to take a little alcohol and dehydrate my nails again. But normally, without washing my hands, I would do the same thing. I would just wipe them down with a little alcohol. Just get rid of the excess powder and stuff that's on your nails. I meant to plug this in while I was away there. Okay, so now we're just going to apply our base and then our colors and our top coat. So the base. And hands are nice and clean. And I always just wipe as much extra as you can off on the rim there. Usually the one dip into it is enough to do all my nails. Wherever you put the base coat, your gel polish will stick. Where you don't have base coat, it won't stick. So make sure to really coat your whole nail. And just apply that cuticle to tip. If you get any on your skin, make sure to remove it. Usually I just use the same cuticle pusher on the angled side and just kind of scrape away whatever might be on my skin. Some people like to use like a gel brush dipped in alcohol and clean it up that way. However you like to do it will be just fine. And if you notice, I kind of start a little bit higher than the cuticle and I kind of wiggle towards the cuticle. That way you're not just putting a whole bunch of product right at the cuticle and it doesn't look as refined, I suppose. So go here, cap the tip. Again, if there's any on your skin, I use my other nail, but normally you want to go ahead and just kind of clean up whatever might be there. Take a good look at your nail and just make sure that you do have the gel base coat, you know, covering the whole surface of the nail. And place it in your lamp for 30 seconds. I'll be back. Okay, so they look nice and shiny already. Beautiful. So we have our 3 colors. I'm just going to do, like I said, mix and match set, just being the 3 different colors on my nails. And I think I'll do this. Okay, so I'm going to use the glittery polish. Again, I like to build up my layers. I've seen some people just slap down a whole bunch of it and then cure it. You really want to get a nice, safe cure. So I build up my layers. If, you know, I guess it just depends on how you want to do it. But you want a safe cure. So I start thin. I don't glop down a whole bunch of color. I'll use this gray. Again, I'm wiping off a pretty good amount of it. And wiggling towards the cuticle. And same thing with this, if you get any on your skin, make sure to clean that up before putting your hand into the UV light. That was a little bit heavy on there. And again, just make sure before you put it in the lamp too that, you know, you look at their nail and make sure you cover the whole surface. Have that on there nicely. Cap the tip. I'll finish up these 2 nails and place them back in my lamp for 30 seconds. Again, if you're using UV, it'd be 2 minutes on each layer. I'll be back. Okay, that's 1 coat, as you can see. The blossom color is very opaque, but again, I like to build up my layers, so we'll do it again. Back into Diamonds for Breakfast. And you can definitely apply this Diamonds for Breakfast over your blossom, over the gray color. I mean, it complements both those really well. Again, wiping away the excess and building up our color. I think it'll probably just take 2 coats for these colors, but it might take 3. You know, it just depends. Okay, cap the tip. Whatever color you get on your skin, remember clearing up before you put it back into your lamp for 30 seconds or 2 minutes in UV. Okay, so I'll just continue and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'll put this to the side for now. And top coat. So this is a really sweet design to do, like a little tribal if you would like, or maybe a little cheetah here and there. I'm just going to take my top coat and finish up. So again, wipe off all the excess that you can. The top coat is a little bit thinner than the other coats, so it just glides on. And just be careful if you get any on your skin. Again, clean it up before you put in your lamp. I will go and top coat all the nails and put my whole hand in the lamp for 30 seconds. 2 minutes in UV. And our mani for this hand will be done. Okay guys, so the last thing, just if you were to touch it right now, you have a dispersion layer that's a little bit sticky feeling. So this is after our top coat. I think this would also look lovely with the matte top coat. Oh, can you imagine? I think that'd be very pretty. Soft and like dusty pink and gray. And there's that. What I'm going to do is wash my hands so I can put some cuticle oil and we'll take another look. Okay. So shiny and pretty, and of course with gel polish it's ready to go. You can do whatever you want. You don't have to be careful or baby it. It's going to be great for 2 to 3 weeks. It's going to stay shiny and on your nails. So Just finish off with a little cuticle oil. And I'll do my other hand again. You know, generally I do them both at the same time, but there we go. Just a quick basic mani. Really lovely. I'll have some images for you guys. Thank you so much, Nail Addict, for sending these items. Check out their retro vibe summer collection starting today. All right, guys. I'll see you at the next one. Bye now.